the Electricians. Today I'm showing you how to bend a 3-point saddle. So we're going to imagine the box is here, and say you got to go over a pipe here. Just for example, let's say that pipe is 2 feet off your box. So your center of your saddle is going to be at 2 feet, and 2-inch saddle up on these Greenlee benders. You're going to go your center of bend. You're going to go back 5 inches on both sides for your center, and your center is going to be double the amount of degrees as your other two here. So we're going to go a 45-degree bend here, followed by a 22.5 on either side of that. And you're going to go off of your star on your center bend, and on your two outsides you're going to go on your notch here. So we'll bend this one first. We'll be on the star. This one's going to be down to a 45-degree bend, as you see there, 45 degrees. And then, so there's your 45-degree. And then here is going to be on the notch. And your outside bends are both going to be facing each other. And they're both going to be on the notch, like I said. So same thing as when you're bending an offset. Make sure it's nice and straight so nothing's dogged. You're going to bend this one to a 22.5. Looks good. Same thing here on your 5-inch mark. 22.5. Make sure it's nice and straight. We're a little dogged on this. Simple fix, guys. If it's really bad, you can put it back in the bender here, straighten her out a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, she looks pretty good. So here, there's a lot of tinkering you can do by hand too to get it perfect. But yeah, so right there's our, let's see, looks like I'm off a little bit on this one. Let's put her back in real quick. Simple to fix. Crank a little bit on that. Make sure it's straight again. There you go, guys. There's your 2-inch saddle.